Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where I review the latest and greatest drones in the market. Today, I have some exciting news for you. DJI, the world leader in drone technology, has just announced a huge price drop on its Mini 3, the sub 249 grams drone that is perfect for anyone, anywhere. This is a limited time offer, so if you are looking for a new drone to start 2024 with a bang, you don't want to miss this opportunity. The Mini 3 is one of the most popular drones in the DJI Mini series, which are known for their compact size, lightweight design, and powerful performance. The Mini 3 weighs less than 249 grams, which means you can fly it without worrying about most drone regulations in many parts of the world. It also fits easily in your pocket or backpack, so you can take it with you wherever you go. But don't let its small size fool you. The Mini 3 packs a punch when it comes to camera quality. It has the same 1/1 3-inch CMOS sensor and f/1.7 aperture as the more expensive Mini 3 Pro, which means it can capture stunning 12MP photos and 4K/30fps ATR videos with true-to-life colors. And thanks to DJI's 4-in-1 pixel technology, it can also snap 48MP photos with enhanced low-light performance. Plus, it has a unique feature called True Vertical Shooting, which lets you rotate the camera 90 degrees to shoot vertical videos that are ideal for social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. The Mini 3 is also a breeze to fly, thanks to its advanced features and technology. It uses the O2 digital video transmission system, which delivers a clear and stable 720p/30fps live feed from up to 10 kilometers away. It also has improved anti-interference technology, which ensures a reliable connection throughout the flight. And it can resist winds up to 10.7 meters per second, which means it can hover steady and keep a stable image in various conditions. Now, here's the best part. DJI is offering a $90 discount on all variants of the Mini 3, so you can get this amazing drone for a fraction of its original price. Here are the options you can choose from. Mini 3 with RCN1. This is the standard option, which comes with a remote controller without a screen. You can use your smartphone as the screen and connect it to the controller via cable. This option was previously priced at $559, but now you can get it for only $469. Mini 3 with DJI RC. This option comes with a remote controller with a built-in screen, which gives you a more immersive and convenient flying experience. You don't need to use your smartphone or a cable, and you can enjoy a brighter and sharper display. This option was previously priced at $699. But now you can get it for only $609. Mini 3 drone only. This option is for those who already have an RCN1 controller and just want to upgrade their drone. You can buy the Mini 3 aircraft only, without any remote controller, for only $379 instead of $469. These are some incredible deals, and they won't last long. So if you are interested in getting the Mini 3, the sub 249 grams drone for everyone, anywhere, you should act fast and order yours today. You can find the links to the DJI website in the description below. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more drone reviews. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.